Question number 2 is, how did the wise man discovered what the object was? Students, in the story you saw that the king called all of his wise men, all of his ministers to find about the thing. All of those wise men actually pondered and pondered what the thing was, but actually they did not make. Actually, wise man did not get to know anything about it. Actually the hen that helped them to get know. But in the question, it was asking that how did the wise man found get to know about that. So as in the story, you have seen that one day what happened, that when the thing was actually laying on the window sill, a hen actually flew in and pecked at it. At it means to say that it just pecked with its beak. जब beak से कोई पक्षी उसको ऐसे pecking करता है, that is actually known as pecked. And keeping on the window sill to the outer projecting from a window where you can keep something, that is actually known as window sill. So on the window sill, the thing was actually laying, and from the window, through the window, hen actually flew in and pecked it till she made a hole in it. And when it made a hole inside it, then everyone actually get to know that it was actually a grain of corn. Student, question number 3 is, what did the first peasant, the first old man who was brought into the court in front of the king, actually said about the grain? But actually, when the king actually asked the old man that, do you know anything about the grain? Just tell me. You read in the story that the old man was quite fragile, quite weak. He could neither hear properly nor listen anything properly. His eyes, he was having trouble in speaking. Also, all of his body parts or all of his body organs were not working properly. So he said that he has in his life actually never sown or reaped such grains. If king want to know about that, he would have to ask about that to his father. So the same thing you would write, students, in the answer, in grammatical way. The first old peasant's answer was that he had never sown or reaped such grains, and the king should ask about the same to his father. That's what you would write in the answer of this question.